Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're going to show you how we did this very simple peachy pink Korean inspired makeup look. To start with, I'm taking my Himalaya All Day Nourishing Cream. Importante talaga guys na i-moisturize muna yung face natin before mag-apply ng makeup kasi it serves as protection sa face natin from any possible harsh chemicals sa mga products na gagamitin natin. I really like this moisturizer guys kasi ang gaan lang yun sa mukha, wala siyang liquid feeling at saka nagbibigay siya ng glass effect sa skin mo. For the brow, I'm using this Eyebrow Advanced Pro Define. Konti lang yung ilalagay ko guys, knowing Koreans naman sobrang light at natural lang yung kilay nila. Use paddle brush or spoolie to blend the product and groom your brows. For the eyes, I'm using my Luna Autumn Clay Blush as a base. Pilitin ko na lang yung gagamitin ko guys kasi mas kontrolado ko yung amount ng product na ilalagay ko. Pero nasa sa inyo naman yun kung gusto mong gumamit ng brush, depende kung saan kayo komportable. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from BYS. I'll be starting with this color at ilalagay ko siya all over her eye. Maganda siya guys kasi it's shimmery na tapos it already comes with two colors. Pag nilagay mo siya sa mata mo, makikita mo yung combination ng gold tsaka light pink. Next is this one. Ilalagay ko siya on the other corner of her eye. Next color is this one, just to add contrast sa kulay na nilagay natin kanina. Next is foundation. This is from BYS also and ang shade niya is beige. This foundation is really nice at hindi siya mahirap i-blend. Balik tayo sa mata guys, I'm applying the same three colors on the lower rim of her eye. For the eyeliner, I'll be using this silky eyeliner from Eyebrow. May pagka-chocolate brown yung kulay niya guys at may kaunting glitters. Gently pull eye up and line the upper waterline. At lalagyan ko rin itong lustrous brown gel to define the line in the upper lash line na ginawa natin kanina. For the blush, I'm using this cream blusher from Intuit. Sobrang blendable niya guys and very light at natural na siyang tingnan. I will also add a little of this lip and cheek tint from Eyebrow para lang mag-pump yung color ng blush. For the lips, I'm using this Kiko Milano. I don't know the exact shade of this lipstick kasi nabura na yung label, but it's like a baby pink color. I will also use this lipstick from BYS in the shade Revenge at ilalagay ko siya sa inner part ng lips niya. Mabalik tayo sa mata guys. I wanna add a little drama pa. So, gagamit ako nitong glitter eye cream sa BYS for guys. And we are down to our last product, the highlighter. What I'm using is not exactly a highlighter, but it works just as the same. It's an eyeshadow from Naked 3 palette called Limit. So, para-paraan lang talaga yan, guys. So, there you have it, guys. We are finally done and this is now the final look. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!